So hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can solve pending or undelivered transaction issues. So I get a lot of questions coming on my DM asking me, okay, I bought data but I have not received it yet on my phone, or maybe I bought data and it's saying pending. What do I do? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can solve that problem here on the Recharger platform. So the first thing you need to do when you get into the dashboard is to scroll down to where you see transaction. So if you can't find your transaction in the last three transactions that reflects on the dashboard, you just click on the all over here. Then you see all your transactions on the transaction page. So the first thing you need to do is to click on the transaction that you're having the issue, or you just made a purchase on. The current transactions, that's what you are looking for. So, or the transaction you have the problem with. So once you find it, you just click on the transaction, and then you'll be taken to the transaction page. But a pop-up is going to reflect. You get, once you open the transaction, you see a pop-up. Now is a response pop-up. It will tell you if that order has been delivered or if the order is pending. You get, so you can see that this transaction was delivered successful. That's why it's telling me this order already delivered to this phone number. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the OK over here. So here is the status. This is where it tells you whether the transaction was successful or if the transaction is pending. You get, so if the transaction was successful but you have not gotten the data, because sometimes there are very rare issues where somebody will purchase a data and they'll say transaction successful and maybe they didn't get data. What that is, there's a delay in the delivery. You get, it's very rare. So what you need to do now is to scroll down. You see this button over here that says reprocess order. You just click on it. Now what you see is your account will not be debited for this. You get, and are you sure you want to reprocess this order? Reprocess means that, do you want to refresh it, like the engine? Do you want to refresh the engine, or do you want to send a message to the engine about this order to remind the engine that, okay, if the order has not been delivered, you want to remind the engine. But if the order has been delivered, there's nothing that this process button is going to do for you. So you just click on the OK. Now it will tell you this order has already delivered. If it has been delivered, to tell you. If it has not been delivered, maybe the engine was slow, or maybe sometimes it might be a glitch, it skipped. If it will immediately, you just click on this stuff, it tells you it has already been delivered. You get a message. You get a message immediately. Immediately you click on that reprocess order, you get a message like your data will be delivered to you instantly. If this start to say pending, you see the process order, and then you also see refund order. That means I don't want to buy again, give me back my money. You get, sometimes the refund order work. The refund is 50-50. If the transactions have not already been delivered, you can be refunded. But sometimes, majority of the times, the transaction will be delivered. So just click on the process. Anytime it's saying pending, if you are seeing pending transaction, click on the process order and then click on OK. You get, it will tell you that maybe MTN or maybe Airtel, the same network is bad. That pending always happens when network is bad. And anytime network is bad, we used to close down our service so that it will not have a lot of failed transactions. So we shut down the service, and then once the network is good, we open it up. So once you see that pending transaction, it means network is bad. So what will tell you that once network um is is up again, you get your data sent to you. Now if the money has not been, if the transaction have not been purchased already from the service provider, you get your money back. That is, you can use the refund order. But if the transaction has been already been processed, you get just delivery that is issue, you will not get a refund. You will get this data once the transaction is back online. Do you understand? So what you just need to do is to come back every 1 hour. If you have a pending transaction, come back every 1 hour and then click on the process order. 1 hour, 2 hours, maybe two times a day, so that the engine will keep reminding the engine. You get, but do not over click these buttons. Do you understand? because sometimes it's my too much clicking is going to cause damage to the engine. That's why we say just click it once. Just click it once. Do not over stress the engine. So guys, so I've come to the end of this video, and I hope that you got value from this video. If you have any questions or you have any requests, just click on the comment section and then write down your message. We'll definitely see it. So stay subscribed, and I hope to see you on my next video. Peace.